Welcome back to our channel. Hey ladies, what's going on? Welcome back. It's good to see you. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and like this video, period. And welcome to the fam. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my faves that I've recently purchased, alongside heels or shoes, accessories, whatever you can name it. Mix it in and you have something beautiful. Like, you will have a masterpiece, trust me. So I can't wait to show you. I've shopped around, and this one dress in particular goes with the seasonal theme, so I'm super excited to show you. Although you've probably seen the clip of coming up, or what's coming up in this video, you've probably seen it already, but just to give you a bit of flavor, I'm gonna go into dressing up with you lot and taking our time and going through the outfits, where I found it, referencing to my size and all of that sweet stuff. Yeah, so without further ado, ladies, let's get dressed.
I'd rather have deep conversation, not a bunch of peeps in our faces. Trying to see if me and you date, can we be a no combination? We don't gotta go and get wasted. We can whip some food in the kitchen, post the dope flow in the basement. We can fill a fight in the bedroom. I play this out to you be my patient. If that's too much, I can be patient. I don't wanna scare you away, yeah, but if I stare at your face, the vibe that you have I desire. I don't want that flame to expire. I'll do whatever you require. So if you wanna keep it on the flow, I keep it to the flow. As long as I can keys to the door. And now that you wanna see me on the floor, just look at these other dudes can't see me on the floor.
She's sexy, she's grown, she's sexy, she's grown, she's sexy, she's grown. Grown, she's sexy, she's grown, she's sexy. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Okay ladies, so what do you think about this dress? Because I am absolutely smitten by her. Like, the colour is seasonal, the fit is so perfect. I mean, it's a chef's kiss. Gosh, I mean, if I don't tell you to run, like, literally girls, I bought this not too long ago from a place in the UK called Marks and Spencer's. Now, you wouldn't really think that Marks and Spencer's is like, you know, I don't know, like, normally you might kind of associate Marks and Spencer's with like elderly women or middle-aged women, and I was so surprised when I saw this, and I kind of thought about it, because I was just like, is it gonna snatch me? Is it gonna make me feel good? You know what I mean? Like, is it gonna make me feel like elegant and sexy and everything that this dress is kind of screaming, right? So I was thinking, oh my gosh, I'm really nervous to like try it on, but it fits like a glove. When I tell you, it's like, the sizing, unreal. It's a size 12 for reference, UK size, and I think that's typically like a medium. Unreal. Like, I've shopped in other brands like Zara, and a medium wouldn't fit me. Like, I swear, Zara sometimes makes me feel like I'm bigger than my size. Like, it almost makes me feel like I'm overweight sometimes, because I'm just like, okay, your large is not even fitting me as well. Am I an XL? Not that there's anything wrong with being an XL, but it kind of your self-esteem kind of goes down, because you're just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to be such a large size. I do want to be like a nice size that complements who I am and what I look like, right? True to size. True to size. When I tell you, true to size. So yeah, girls, I just think run, don't walk. She's so gorgeous. I don't even know where I will wear her to, but probably like a nice little dinner with me and Bae. Even with the girls, I mean, if you're wanting to celebrate and you want to go out with the ladies, like, this is a lovely, nice dinner dress to wear. And it's seasonal. It's seasonal. It's burgundy. Burgundy is seasonal, so I love that. Although I do have quite a bit of burgundy in my wardrobe already, surprisingly. Not surprisingly, because fashion always comes around over and over and over, especially during the party season. They don't miss when it comes with the colours. This year is like burgundy, sparkles, and gold. Yeah, I feel like gold is it. That reminds me, we need to try on the other new addition to my wardrobe. But before we move on, I added a more glamorous look by just changing my lip colour, as you can see. So I went for a soft, I went from a soft like lip glossy colour, like soft glam, to more of a glamorous look by adding a chocolate lip liner and a lipstick, like red lipstick, right? Have a look. Okay, I use a MAC Ruby Woo on my lip. And for the liner, I typically use the same liner even when I'm going for more of a softer lip colour. And I believe that this, because it's faded, I'm going to assume that it's kind of, I still can't see the colour, but it's like a hazelnut brown lip liner. So I just lined my lips, not too heavy, and then mixed it with this beautiful gorgeous red, which is the colour Ruby Roo in MAC. So this combo, absolutely chef's kiss. I mean, to add it with this burgundy, sultry, elegant, classy, sexy dress, I think works really well, especially with my skin complexion. I always go on about my skin complexion because a lot of the times it's really easy to find something that complements my skin tone, especially when it comes to different colours. I feel like my skin tone works with lots of colours, vibrant, dark, bright, light, any type of colours, right? But there are just colours that are just like, you can't fail with it. So yeah, I always rage on about it because I'm super like, I'm super excited and I just love to explore that side. Anyway, so I've added accessories. I added this gorgeous earrings that I own already from Shein, cheap and cheerful. And I think I like to keep it simple. I might add like a bracelet or a bangle, nice and simple as well. Probably won't do anything on the neck just because of this lace here. And I've got my standard clear heels. However, I feel like black heels will work perfectly with this too. Open toe, and you got yourself a beautiful evening dinner glamorous dress. And to be honest, I feel like lingerie looking dresses are the lick right now. So I do have a similar one from Shein, which is here. So you can see it has the lingerie type of vibe as well, just different cuts. So the chest area is all lace, which I feel like is a little too risque for me. And also the sizing is a little bit funny. Like, I feel like I bought a large because it has a zip fastening here, and I thought that it won't give me too much room, so I thought let me go for a large. And then I was happy that I went for a large because it kind of felt a bit snug, a bit tight. But then the straps were too long, so I feel like it needs taking in. but it's equally as gorgeous. It's just that there's so much more work that needs to be done for a cheaper dress. Whereas you get a dress like this, oops, you get a dress like this and it just works. It works. The fit works, everything works. And I might just be saying that because I've only actually ever bought one dress from Marks and Spencer's anyway, so I don't know in general how their sizes are. But it was I feel like it was a good hit. But I love this colour too. So this colour is very, very beautiful. So we're going to put that back. And then, yeah, this is the star of the show. So let me know what you think in the comments, ladies. And if you want more info and you missed it in this video, I will comment below and I will write you back and tell you exactly all the information that you need. So, that being said, let's go on to the next dress. Okay, I'm not mad at this dress. I'm not mad at this dress because I just feel like it's still very elegant and classy and an alternative for when you want to cover up and perhaps the occasion is just fitted for when you need to just like fully cover up and there's not a lot of flesh or skin showing, right? So this is quite nice for that, I think. So it's really, really helpful to kind of see how both dresses can equally like exude the same type of thing. So I feel like this also is elegant, is glamorous, is sultry, it's all of what you want to call feminine, okay? So this dress is a bit of shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So I was wondering if I should swap out these earrings. I found just the right earrings. Wait there. These bad boys. These are so cute. I love these earrings. They're gorgeous. They are literally screaming seasonal, festive, glam. But like, you know, I feel like it adds a bit more character as well. Sometimes it's fun. Can I even please let me just find my ear hole, please? Thank you. But I'm gonna put both so you can see like the difference. So you see that, how it's dangling, how it's giving, yeah. And you see this one, this is also giving, right? Can you see it? This is also giving, but it's not dangling. It needs to dangle. So we're gonna get rid of this and we're gonna add this gorgeous earring as well, because I feel like it fits the vibe of this dress, right? And as I'm a bit close to you guys right now, can you see the shimmer? And you can even see the lip as well right now. But I love it. I really, really love it. I've paired it with my open toe clear heels as usual, and I feel like it fits with this dress. But because of the earrings, I feel like a nice black open toe shoe, like be dramatic, be over the top with your accessories, because I feel like this dress is really plain and it allows you to kind of play with different types of accessories, and I just feel like that will go. If I had the shoes that I have in mind right now, I would literally share that with you. Speaking of accessories, I got this beauty of a purse from Primark as well. This can literally just go over your shoulder, and I feel like it matches like with the earrings and the shoes that I will put together. And it's cute because you can just put your phone, and your phone has your cards and everything in it, and then your ID card if you need it, and you have a beautiful outfit with your purse. And I don't know how much it costs, but it might be interesting to have a look on my receipt to see how much this dress, the bag costs. And the dress was under £20, which is good. This dress was under £20. And then the bag was £7. So altogether this outfit was under £30. Like, literally, girls, it's good to kind of mix and mash it, because you don't go wrong with that. So the dress before, can't remember how much it cost, but it didn't cost under £30, right? And it was only just a dress. But in Primark, you get a full outfit. You get the dress, you get the bags, you could probably throw in some shoes there, but I already have the shoes, so I didn't really need to do that. And I love the bag because I feel like sometimes carrying like a big bag or a different type of clutch, I don't know, I'm not even mad at getting a clutch as well. Look at me just being a girl. Look at me. Yes, I'm really excited because I feel like we did I feel like we touched on a lot of things in this video. We touched on makeup, we touched on accessories, and we touched on cost and how we can make it effective when it comes to buying new items and putting to use what we already have in our wardrobe. So I feel like we've had a really good video. Okay ladies, so the camera heated up, and so we've got to like end this video like quick. I am so happy that you've come to the end of the video anyway, and that you joined and you watched to the end. If you did, make sure you liked it, and also make sure you subscribed. I can't stress it enough because this is our channel, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. There's some new things going on. New hair as well will be debuting next week, fingers crossed. Done by myself too. These braids, so I'm gonna miss her. I'm really gonna miss her. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. Without saying too much, make sure you enjoy your week, and I can't wait to see you. Have an amazing week, guys. See you soon. Bye.